The University of Central Asia is chartered as a regional university, perhaps the first regional university in this part of the world. And it is under an international treaty signed by the presidents of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan, as well as His Highness the Aga Khan. A treaty which was then approved by the respective parliaments and registered with the United Nations. The university is a not-for-profit, secular, self-governing institution. The mission and objectives of the University of Central Asia is to focus on the education of mountain societies. That is why all our 3 undergraduate campuses are located in the mountain ranges of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan. People have asked, why do we locate these in the mountain regions? Also because those societies are marginalized because of lack of opportunity for education, for health, for economic development, and therefore we felt that it was important to focus on those societies. In fact, UCA is probably the only university in the world that is focused on the education of mountain societies.
The University of Central Asia is unique not because there was ever the intent to create a unique and original institution. It evolved as a unique institution in response to circumstances based on an analysis of where we are, at what period of time, with what resources, with what needs, and how we can progress the idea of the university. Moreover, in societies where educational opportunities, economic opportunities, opportunities for social mobility were concentrated in capital cities, the fact that the university was located in a small town was a statement that the periphery was not doomed to mediocrity. That was a very powerful message. The School of Professional and Continuing Education was the first operational program of the university. Actually, the first continuing education course that started in 2002 in Khorog, 2 years after the university was founded by the treaty and the charter. Within the context of a new market economy, the collapse of the Soviet state economy, price liberalization, privatization, etc. People needed skills to survive, to find jobs. People needed skills to seize the opportunities offered by the new opening of entrepreneurship. It would not be surprising that a university located in the mountains would have a mountain research dimension to it. And so much of the research is about mountains as geological formation, mountains as natural hazards, mountains as risk, and we forget that there are communities inside.
The University of Central Asia's second campus is the newest addition in Khorog, Tajikistan. We are excited to offer new opportunities for education and research in the Pamirs.
We have often been asked, what are the fees in this institution? Well, I would say that like any institution of high quality, the cost of educating a student at the undergraduate level is quite high. At the University of Central Asia, our average student, 2/3 of whom come from mountain societies in secondary towns and rural areas, they pay the equivalent of $1,450 in their national currencies.
What this university is all about is not only the power of education, but also the power of international cooperation. It is a power that can change people's lives. It is important to know that what we are doing here will be a valuable example of international cooperation for the future, not only here in the region, but also for people far beyond the region.
As the text of the UCA t-shirt reads, "The journey begins here."